welcome to the Lazy Chef. As you can see today I'm wearing my new apron with the beautiful Lazy Chef logo on, which is designed by my friend Andy Law. If you fancy getting yourself a little logo, let me know and we'll see if Andy can do something about it. He's brilliant, he's brilliant. Anyway, today we're going to make Scottish shortbread. And I got the recipe from an ex-royal chef called Darren McGrady, I think. Anyway, I'll put the link to his YouTube videos down below. It's really easy to make shortbread. I don't know why I always panic about it, but it's a dough and I don't do doughs well. Anyway, let's get cooking. Enjoy. So, all we need to make this shortbread is 8 ounces of plain flour. That's all-purpose flour. And that is 225 grams, whoops, drop bob already, or 2 American cups. And then we need our sugar. I'm using icing sugar or powdered sugar. You can use any other type of white sugar, that's absolutely fine. But I like this because it makes it really, really smooth. So that's 4 ounces or 1 cup or 113 grams of icing sugar. Then you need some corn flour or cornstarch, and that is another 4 ounces, which is 1 cup, which is 113 grams. Throw that in. And then you need 8 ounces, 2 sticks, 225 grams of softened butter. And a pinch of salt. And then all you have to do is rub in your butter to the flours and the sugar. Oh, it's snowing here. So rub that in. Oh, I'm breathing in sugar, which I'm sure isn't good for you, but it tastes very nice. Then you squidge it all together until you get a dough. Now, I wouldn't normally wear gloves to do this, but I cut my thumb twice on my food processor blade the other morning, and I was trying to be careful, it still didn't work. So I'll wear gloves today, as soon as I'm getting my hands in there. And then it should come together. But it's me and it's dough, and it'll probably take ages. You can do this in a food processor, I have tried. It works okay. You can do it in a mixer with a dough hook, that works okay. But you might as well do it with your hands, really. There we go, there's our dough. You don't want to play with it too much. We're going to roll it out. You can have it quite thick. I'd absolutely love a shortbread mould. They're very, very expensive though, so you don't want it too thin. And I'm going to cut out little heart shapes with this. Squeeze one in there. There we go. I'm going to put these on a baking tray. So here we are, here are our little shortbread hearts. Now, you need to prick your shortbread. Firstly, to stop it bubbling up, and secondly, to make it cook evenly, as it is quite thick. Now, in case you're wondering the difference between shortbread and shortcake biscuits have leaveners in them, and that gives them a different texture. We want these to be as short as possible. When we say short, we mean crumbly and soft and smooth. So dock or prick your shortbread with a fork. Now, these are going to go into the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 degrees Celsius, gas mark for 20 minutes. And then we're going to take them out and I'll show you what to do next. See you soon. Well, again, I forgot to press record when I took the shortbread out of the oven. This is getting to be a bit of a habit, isn't it? So anyway, when you take it out of the oven, while it's still hot, sprinkle some sugar over the top of it and then leave it to cool for a couple of hours, or you can actually put it in the fridge if you want it to cool quicker. Don't put them too close together on your board, on your baking sheet, because they will come out all higgledy-piggledy like this, which is typical. I'm a higgledy-piggledy type of person. Anyway, oops, they cooked okay. Here's one of the wonky hearts to show you. And they smell lovely, and I know they taste lovely. They're very, very smooth, go lovely with a cup of tea, or in my case, maybe a glass of G&T later on. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Forgive me if you heard me sniffing, I've got a bit of cold, not feeling too good. And please like and subscribe if you wouldn't mind, and share, please share on your social medias, that would be so helpful. Come and join us on the Lazy Chef UK Facebook page, share some recipes, make some new friends. You'd be welcome there, really welcome. And hopefully we will see you again soon. Hopefully you'll feel better next time. Take care of yourself, everyone. Thank you for coming. Bye.